Hi guys, I'm Carter Crush here. This is gonna be a little video. This is my cousin. The one. Okay, I'm asleep and stuff. But look, this is my cousin's brother. He's doing look at this.
This is the day. Now we're trying to beat the Rams. They're 90 overall.
And we've been trying to do this for hours. An hour trying to beat them, but
Now we're trying to beat them this day.
Can you hold this? Try to.
No, I'm doing it first.
Let's go. My cousin's doing it first. But if you hear guys.